I oversee the digital operations side of Macadamia Sales Market, or MSM. So MSM is an international trading platform for macadamia nuts. Our idea is to facilitate bulk trades and deliver real-time market information to the macadamia industry. Yeah, so when we first reached out to Rubyroid Labs, we were also talking with several other development agencies, but Rubyroid Labs really stood out. We were looking for a new agency because we had some issues with our previous development team, particularly around the pacing and the budget management of the project. So the way that Rubyroid stood out in that time is that they quickly gave us a code review and they seamlessly transitioned it into project management. They adapt to our pace and our environment, and we're a startup, so flexibility and speed was really of importance to us. Rubyroid Labs could meet us in that. They provided us with the reliability and the speed and the flexibility that we were looking for. So we had our team members, and there was also a project lead on that side, someone with a deeper understanding of what the team members were busy with each day. But we also had daily check-ins with the team, where the whole team we'd talk to each other, we'd say what we're busy with, and then in that way we could make sure that we're always aligned. There was never like big questions waiting for days or uncertainties that made for unnecessary work. So our understandings were always aligned and our priorities were always aligned. The team was always busy working on whatever was most important and needed to be worked on that time. So it was a really transparent relationship that we had with the team, which was great. It worked out really well. We were working off of a list of features that we wanted to implement. And while we did come to you with the list at the start of the project, we also added new things to the list. But from the get-go, you gave us estimates on all the items on our list. And that transparency, giving us like a minimum and maximum amount of hours that each item would take, that allowed us to plan and budget really effectively. So then we could prioritize our items because we knew exactly what the cost of a feature would be. So up to date, the team has delivered all of the features consistently within the time and within the budget. And not only that, but they were really understanding of our business model and the use cases. So often while working on a feature or while doing the estimates for a feature, they could identify opportunities and impacts of each feature, keeping the bigger picture in mind. So every time they could align whatever new work is coming in with our business goals. So that proactive approach that your team had really helped to build us a platform that exceeded our expectations. They ended up seeing a lot of things that we couldn't see on our side, that we couldn't predict, and it ended up adding a lot of value to the final product, which we're very grateful for. My only recommendation would be that you should really try to, as you scale up as a company, which you definitely would, just try your best to maintain the same high quality of standards and service that you've shown to us. Your team had this ability to really integrate into our operations and take us into account and see the whole picture and always keep the business case in mind and the use case in mind. So if you can keep that in your scaling up, that would be great. And I think that's going to be enough of a challenge to just keep the level that you're at, because you're at such a high level right now.